In part 1, we have done sum number 1, 2, 3. Today we are going to do from number 4 to 8. So let's start. Rajesh has a square plot with the measurement as shown in the joining figure. What is showing in the picture? That the square plot, each side measured 24 meter. 4 sides equal in a square. So each side measured 24 meter. This is given. He wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot, and the house is of rectangle shape, length 18 meter, breadth 12 meter. This is also given. A garden is developed around the house. So the rest space, the rest of the plot is he wants to develop a garden. We have to find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 50 per meter square. First, we need to know what is the area of the garden. To know the area of the garden, first we need to know the area of the plot. Each side of square is given how much? 24 meter. When we know each side of a square, we can find out the area of a square. So area of square is what? We know side square. So 24 square we will write, and don't forget to write the unit as square meter. So now we have to do 24 into 24 is how much that we have to write. So 24 into 24 comes 576. We will write 576 square meter. Done. So we have got the area of the plot. Listen carefully. We have got the area of the plot, and to find the measurement of the area of the garden, we have to remove or subtract the area of the house from the plot, because except the whole plot measure 576. But he will build or he will develop the garden around the house. So definitely not inside the house. So we have to do the subtraction from the plot. What we have to subtract? The area of the house. So we need to know area of the house. Area of the house. How can we find out the area of the house? When we know the length of the house is 18 meter and breadth of the house is 12 meter, which is already mentioned. So area of the house will be length into breadth square meter. Length is 18, breadth is 12. So we have to write 18 into 12 is how much? 18 into 12 is how much that we need to do. So let's do 18 into 12. It will be 216 square meter. So total area of the plot is 576. We have to subtract the area of the house. So area of the plot, we will write area of the plot will be 576 minus 206 square meter. See, you have to understand logically. How can you find out? Definitely, we will do the subtraction because we will not develop the garden inside the house. So we have to subtract 6 minus 6, 2, then 360 square meter. Now in the question it is given that the cost of developing the garden is rupees 50 per square meter. So the cost is how much? Per square meter. Per square meter rupees 50. So 360 square meter will cost 360 into 50 rupees. So we have to multiply 360 into 50. That will be 560, 5 6 are 30, 0 carry 3, 8, 1, 2 more 0. So rupees 18,000. So what will be the total cost? The total cost will be 18,000. This will be the answer of number 4. Number 4 is done. Number 5. A flooring tile has a shape of parallelogram whose base is 18 centimeter, corresponding height is 6 centimeter. How many such tiles are required to cover a floor or area of 540 square meter? One thing notice, the measurement of the tiles are given in centimeter, whereas the area is given in meter. So I'm converting this centimeter into meter because my unit should be the same. So in this case, the tile's base is given what? 18 centimeter. So I have to convert it into meter, which will be 0.18 meter. Again, the height which is given is 6 centimeter. If I convert it into meter, it will become 0.06 meter. We know the area of a parallelogram. Area is what? Base into height. Square meter. So my base is, how much is given? 0.18. 18 and height is given 0.06. So I'll write the unit as square meter. Don't forget it. 0.18 into 0.06. 0.06 is how much? We know that it will become 0.0108 square meter. Each tile's area is 0.108. There is a huge, big, large area. If each tile measure 0.0108 to cover this whole area, how many number of tiles are required? When we know the total area, to find out the number of tiles, we have to divide the total area by the area of each tiles. So, number of tiles, how can we write number of tiles required? How can we find out the required number of tiles? Total area. Total area of floor divided by total area of tile. Total area of each tile. So, total area of the floor is given how much? 540 divided by 0.0108. To remove the point, after point how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to add 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have to see that 540, if I divide by 108, how much it comes? If I 540 divided by only, because the left side 0 has no value. So I'll consider this number as only 3-digit number, that is 108. So if 540 divided by 108 is 5. And after 5, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros to be added. So how many number of tiles are required? 50,000 tiles required to cover the total area. Sum number 6. An ant is moving around a few foot pieces of different shapes scattered on the floor. For which foot piece would the ant have to take a longer round? When an ant is moving around of any figure, we need to find out the perimeter of each figure. So let's find out the perimeter of each figure. This figure, the first figure, is of a half circle. Perimeter we have to find out of figure A. 2.8 is the diameter. Diameter is 2.8 centimeter. Radius will be half of 2.8, that is 1.4 centimeter. So if radius is 1.4, the perimeter we can find out, the formula of a perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. As it is of a shape of a half circle, definitely it will be half. So pi r, pi 22 by 7 and r we have got 1.4. So 0.2, what it is? 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4.4 centimeter. When it is 4.4 centimeter, is it the whole perimeter? No. From here to the other end 4.4. The ant is taking around the shape, not only from this part to this part, even this diameter. So 4 total perimeter is how much? 4.4 plus 2.8 centimeter. So 8 plus 4, 12 to carry 1, 4 to 6, 1, 7, 7.2 centimeter. This is the perimeter of figure A. Now let's find out the perimeter of figure B. 2.8, this is 2.8, this is 2.8, this is 2.8. 2.8 plus 2.8 plus 2.8. So 2.8 into 3. 8 3 is 24, carry 2. 3 2 is 6. 8 3 is 24, carry 2. 3 2 is 6 to 8. 8.4 centimeter. And what about this curved part? It is a shape of a circle. Not full circle but half circle. If the diameter of the circle is 2.8, 2.8 it is mentioned, radius will be 1.4. So perimeter will be half circle. Perimeter is 2 pi r. No, only pi r. Pi r 22 by 7 and radius is 1.4. Let's do cancel 0.2. So 4.4 centimeter. 3 side total is 8.4. So total we have to find out 8.4 plus this 4.4 centimeter. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12.8 centimeter. Now the third figure. Again, see, it is of a half circle. The ant will take a round from this part to this part, which is of a half circle shape. The diameter is mentioned 2.8 centimeter. So radius will be 1.4 centimeter. What will be the perimeter of that half circle? Pi r. Pi is 22 by 7 and r is how much? 1.4 centimeter. So 0.2. Again this is 4.4 centimeter. The ant will come from this side to the other side. Again we'll take a round of this and this. 2 plus 2 will be 4. So total will be how much? 4.4 plus 2 centimeter. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8.4 centimeter. So for which figure or for which shape it will take a longer round? For the which figure or which shape? Figure B. So what will be my answer? For figure B, the ant have to take a longer round. So number 6 is done. Number 7. In the adjoining figure, the area enclosed. Which area? Between the concentric circle, this shaded part. The area of this shaded part is given 770 centimeter square. If the radius of the outer circle, there are two circles, can you see? This is my outer circle and inside there is the other circle which is inner circle. The radius of the outer circle is given 21 centimeter. We have to calculate the radius of this inner circle, mean this circle's radius. We need to find out. How can we find out the area of a concentric circle? If I know the area of the outer circle and if I subtract the area of the inner circle, we get the area of the concentric circle. When we know the radius of the outer circle, radius of outer circle, it is already given is how much? 21 centimeter. The radius of outer circle is 21 centimeter. So area we can find out, that is pi r squared. Don't forget to write square centimeter. Pi is how much? 22 by 7. R 21. But square is given, so you need to write 2 times. Cancel 3. 22 into 3, 66 into 21. Let's multiply and write. So you do your multiplication. 66 into 21 is how much? 1386 square centimeter. But I really don't know the radius of this inner circle. Let the radius of inner circle. R centimeter. If I consider it as r, we can find out the area of the inner circle, which is pi r square centimeter. And what I told, how can we find out the area of this concentric circle? If I subtract outer circle's area minus inner circle area. If I do, we will get the area which is mentioned 770 square centimeter. Outer circle's area we have got 1386 minus inner circle's area we don't know, which we have got is pi r square equal to 770. So pi r square equal to 770. This 1386 is changing the side from the left to the right. So it will change its sign into minus 1386. Now do pi value I'm putting, that is 22 by 7 r square equal to 1386 and minus what we have to minus 770, and we will get that is 616. Correct? Next, what we have to do, this is minus, and here the bigger bigger number sign is minus, so we have to give minus. Now this minus, both side minus will be cancelled and will become plus. So r square equal to 616. This is here as multiplication. When the number will go from the left to the right, 22 by 7 will change into 7 by 22. Now we have to do the cancellation. 616 divided by 22, if I do, it will come 28. This is your, you have to do very wisely. See, r square equal to 28 mean how much? 4 into 7. And this is another 7. So r square equal to, the root over of 4 is 2. And 2, 7, I'll take only 1 7. So if I take 1 7, so r square, this is if the square will be removed and r equal to 7 to the 14 centimeter. In the question, it is asked calculate the radius of the inner circle, and we have assumed the inner circle radius be r. We have got the value of r is 14 centimeter. So the radius of the inner circle is 14 centimeter. Number 7 is also done. Number 8, a copper wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 121 square meter. A square is there. So the square, the total area of the square is given 121 square centimeter. This wire, mean by using a wire. Suppose this is a big wire which is bent to form a square. Now the same wire is used to make a circle. We have to find out the area of the circle. Though it sounds a bit tricky and tough, but don't get confused with that. This is a square that I know. The area also I know. Each side of the square is unknown. So let the each side be. Let the each side be a centimeter. So the formula of a square, the formula of the area of a square is what? Area equal to how much? Side square. Now side square, here my each side is a, so I'll write a square. Total area is given what? 121. So a square equal to 11 square, because 121, 11 into 11, 121. Square if I remove, so each side is how much? 11 centimeter. Now we have to know the total measurement of the wire, because the same wire is used to form the circle. It means the perimeter of the square and the perimeter of the circle is same. So we need to know the perimeter of the square. If each side is 11 centimeter, we will write perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square. Perimeter of the square will be 4 into 11, which is 44 centimeter. If this perimeter or the measurement of the wire is 44, definitely perimeter of the circle. Perimeter of the circle will also be 44 centimeter. Perimeter of the circle also will be 44 centimeter. What is the formula? The radius is unknown. Let the radius be r. Let the radius be r. If it is r, perimeter will be what? 2 pi r. 2 pi r and the perimeter is given 44. So r equal to 44. This 2 is changing the side from left to right. I'll make it half. The value of pi is 22 by 7. When it is coming, it will become 7 by 22. So 22, 44 cancel, 2 cancel. So r equal to how much? 7 centimeter. If I know the value of r, I can easily find out the area of the circle. Definitely. Area of a circle formula is what? Area of a circle, pi r square. Pi 22 by 7 and r we have got 7. Square mean 2 times. So cancel 154 square centimeter. So what is the area of the circle? 154 square meter is the area of the circle. Number 8 is also done. Rest of the numbers we will do on the next part. Till then, bye bye and thank you for watching.